Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to see all old phone numbers that you used on your Instagram account. We'll begin by opening up the Instagram app, as you can see here, and then go to your profile page like I have done, and go over here on this icon, click on it. You see these three bars? Click on that, and this menu comes up. Then go ahead and click on Settings. When you get to Settings, click over here where it says Security. Oh no, Privacy Security. And then you can click over here where it says data, access data. From here, look over here on the bottom. Do you see where it says former phone numbers? Click on that. Oops. Former phone numbers. And you see over here, it will show you a list of all the phone numbers that you have associated with your account. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And definitely subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.